Yeah, hey guys, my name is Suhei Bamemed. I'm actually from Dallas, Texas. Had a history of knee surgeries, knee problems, chronic issues over the last couple of years. Did a lot of research, and Regenamex was one of the top ones that I wanted to try out. Came here last year, got my first treatment done in my knees and my hips actually. So I've gotten very great results in the last year or so. You know, I was able to play basketball again, pickleball again. So I was really happy because I never thought I'd ever play again, honestly. So I came back for a second treatment, not because it's back to hurting again, just because I want to raise the floor of my healing, and thinking a second treatment after this will make me feel even better. So I'm really excited for this opportunity, and I feel like I'd be a repeat customer every couple of years and come back. So.
Man, that's great. Thanks for sharing your story. Would you mind telling me the little bit that you just said about the friend on Reddit that you met?
I found some random guy on Reddit, time treatments here at Regenamex too, and found out he only lives 30 minutes away from me, and we became friends. So, you know, we plan on meeting up, hanging out, bonding over our stem cell treatments. And
over the bad knees.
Bad knees. He's had the same history as me for the knee treatment. So he's come here a couple times. He's gotten good results. So, you know, we're small world.
So we're just ready to kick off here. We got Dr. Brad. Dr. Brad, say hi.
Hello.
Hi. So we got the ultrasound ready to go to prove the space. Hey, Luis, say hi. Hi. He's prepping all the stem cells and everything. So see these stem cells. There we go. Yeah, that's the lab that powers this. Okay, I got everything I needed from this. Ain't nothing left but the crying.
All right. No, I'm looking forward to it, and I'm happy to report back after the second treatment if you want me to. But
all right,
it'll be great. Go great. So thanks.
Adios for now. Regenamex.com.